Hello guys, again welcome back, and now I'm going to discuss in this video after installing the Linux, right? So we have installed in both the methods in command line as well as graphical. So friends, you can see this is the graphical mode, and what kind of activities we can do like that. This is the window, right? This is the graphical. You can use this each and everything. First of all friends, when you will install you installed Linux or CentOS 8, so take a snapshot first from here. Already I take the snapshot, you can take. Why? Because you are doing any activities or you are doing lab, maybe you stuck, or maybe your iOS is smudged or corrupted due to some reason. So easily you can reset from here. You can restore via snapshot. So no need to install again, like that. Create virtual machine again. No need to again repeat this kind of activities. So here you can take a snapshot. We are using only for the backup purpose, right? So already I take, so I'm click here, I'm going to click here no, and manually you can increase the size. Yes, you can increase the full screen, and again click and minimize, so you can increase sidewise. So each and everything you can see here, and go to the this section, and here you can shut down graphically. Suspend the gas, it means you can terminate, remove your virtual machine, restart the gas, power on, suspend, and reset. So we have an option in the graphical. You can go in the right side section, you can click here and go in the wired section setting. Easily you can go and assign the IP addresses manually, right? We have an option. But friends, we are working professional, we are learning, so we have to know each and everything in command line, not the graphical. But in coming networking topic, I will discuss in both as well as command line. So here you can you reboot, change the root, right? We have you can log out from here manually. We have an option, you can see and go, right? So now friends, go inside the activities, and here you can click this Mozilla Firefox. It will open. This is the file, this is the software and the help, and this is a terminal. You can open the terminal, right, via graphical. So I'm going to open a terminal here. You can see this is a terminal. We will practice here each and everything. So you can, and you want exit from in this terminal, you can use exit exit. So you can exit. So we have an option, you can open this via graphically, and you can use via, you can open this terminal also in command line. Press alt and F2. So this wizard will be open, and you can write here the command genome and hyphen terminal. Friends, you can see I inside the terminal, right? So you can again exit from in this terminal via exit command, right? But in shortcut you can use control D, so you can exit from the terminal also, right? So we have multiple options. Again, I'm going to press alt plus F2, and you can see press share command, and the name of the command is genome. So no need to press Z and O each and everything. You can use Z and O and press tab. It will pick up the command genome hyphen, and use TER and press the tab button, so it will pick up all the command syntax and enter. So you can inside terminal, right? So you can open and you can see each and everything. So here you can learn and do practice. So everything I will discuss, what is the ls command, cat command, basic command. So just I am going to share here how you can open your terminal and how you can utilize. So now come to the point, friends. So we can now see how you can minimize or maximize this terminal or font size. This is very important. Daily basis we are doing this. Suppose that you are going to lab, right? So you can open 3 and 4 terminal, right? You know, and terminal. So see here, yeah, again I'm open the terminal. So now you can use here multiple terminal, right? So further I will discuss. And suppose that you want minimize or maximize, so I will discuss in this font terminal. Suppose that I want maximize, so you can press alt F10. so it is increase in full size, and you want minimize this terminal, so press again alt and F5, so it will minimize. Alt F10 it will increase and full size, alt F5 it will minimize. So you can use these shortcut keys, right? So you can use also graphically, but I will discuss in the text mode. And friends, again come to the point, so I'm going to open this. You can use full screen. Now see, I'm going to increase, I'm going to see in this terminal in full of size. Press Alt F10. Now see it is full of a screen. Now friends, now come to the point. This is the font size. How you can increase the font size? So friends, I want to increase this font size because it's looking very small. So you can increase Control Alt. No, you will have to use a shift control and plus. You can increase your font size. Again, you want to increase little bit more shift and control then plus. So you can increase your font size. And friends, you want to decrease your font size. So easily you can decrease your font size also. So no need to here press shift control shift and minus. You can easily you can use here control and minus again minus. So according to your need you can increase or decrease. Okay, so I am going to increase control shift and plus and again plus. Yeah, it is sufficient. So now you can use each and everything, right? So you can minimize or maximize font size also. You can exit from the terminal, and you can increase also um, terminal or minimize terminal both. Okay, so this is the shortcut keys you can use on daily basis. Okay, and friends, now come to the point. Again, I am going to exit this terminal and see, I'm going to open my terminal. So use hyphen terminal. Okay, so here, see friends, this is the file. You can go, you can edit. Okay, so if here we have an option also in graphical, but we will use each and everything in the command line. So this is the shortcut keys you can use and do practice. You can learn more and more and more. Okay, so and further coming videos we will learn each and every basic command first, and then I will discuss the file hierarchy structure, reboot shutdown command, and further I will discuss more and more, right? So in this video I'm going to thanks for watching my videos, and further we will meet in the next video with new topic. And dosto, all the best and bye bye and take care.